Hi, I'm Giulietta Talevi. I'm the money editor at the Financial Mail, and this week we have a fine selection of reads for you. The first is the cover story. We ask, is the big deal-making party in South Africa over? We reference the acquisition of SABMiller back in 2016 by AB InBev and argue that it probably soured the acquisition punch bowl a bit. And Mark Hassenfuss and Anne Crossie have a fantastic read, and they also look at other companies potentially that could be involved in interesting corporate action. We've also got Rob Rose's inimitable column. Of course, he dissects what is happening in corporate South Africa. And this week, he looks at the Twitter row that broke out between Elvis Elias, a shareholder activist, and Renergen, which is a very interesting, hot investor stock that has lost its luster of late. He goes into the backstory behind their rather vicious Twitter fight. We've also got a somewhat lighter read in the personal finance section from our regular columnist, Simon Brown, and it talks about the need for fortitude and courage as an investor, and he uses the example of the ride that shareholders would have been on if they'd been long Nvidia shares, which of course have had a phenomenal year, but it hasn't always been the case. So you've got a huge collection of reads in the FM. It's not just for investors, it's the political economy, it's the life section, and all of this out on newsstands on Thursday. Today's insight, tomorrow's success. So do please get yourself a copy.